Welcome to Simply Pi Maths.
This video is going to be a short one because here you simply have to find first term and common difference. Okay, so let's take an example where they want us to find first term and common difference in an AP. That means you don't have to show whether it is an AP or not. You simply have to find out the first term and common difference in a given AP. So let me give you an AP at the first place. So let's say 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 and dot dot dot. On a very simple note, if I want to only find answer for this particular question, so it is like, what is the first term? First term is 5. What is a common difference? So common difference means what? It will be common between all the two numbers, right? So I can simply take any two numbers. So if I want to find the difference between these two numbers, what I will do? I will first take this, then I will take this. So it should be like 1 minus 5. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4. And that is the answer for your common difference. So let's write the same and show it in the solution. So first of all, I will say T1 is 5, then T2 is 1, then T3 is minus 7, and T4 is T3 is minus 3 and T4 is minus 7. So I don't have to do anything else. I just have to find the first term. So first term over here, first term means we normally term it as A, right? A is the first term. So A is nothing else but the very first one, T1, and T1 I know it is 5, so I will say 5. So that's the answer for A. A is 5. And they also need a common difference as well, right? Common difference. So in order to find common difference means what? We term it as D. And in order to find D, we usually do a subtraction of any two numbers, right? So you have a choice, you can take any two numbers, but I prefer take the first two numbers, that is the best. So T2 minus T1. So it is nothing else but 1 minus 5, as we said earlier. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4. And you have your D with you. So D is minus 4. Let's take another example. Let me just take a fraction this time. Second one. So 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, and 7 upon 4, and dot dot dot. So nothing to worry if you see a fraction. So simply write solution and just write what is T1, 1 upon 4, what is T2, 3 upon 4, what is T3, 5 upon 4, what is T4, 7 upon 4, right? And first of all, let me just find A. A is nothing else but the first one, T1. In this case, T1 is 1 upon 4, and hence I have my A. A is 1 upon 4. It was that simple. But for common difference, what I will have to do is I will have to subtract two numbers, right? So let me do the same. Let me subtract first two numbers. So always do a subtraction of this minus this. So I will do 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So these two are fractions, but luckily the denominators are the same. So if the denominators are same, you have to write the denominator once and then subtract the numerators 3 and 1, 3 minus 1. So it is nothing else but 2, 2 upon 4. Since cancellation is possible over here, let me do that. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So answer is 1 upon 2. And that's my answer. D. D is 1 upon 2.